want to do a quick review on Up and Up free and clear dryer sheets. This is a Target product. Yeah, this has got 105 sheets in this box. It's 4 inches by 9 inches of sheets. They're pretty good little dryer sheets. They help cut back on your static cling and stuff. But yep, when you're doing laundry and take clothes out of the washer and throw them in the dryer, it help cut back on the static cling with your clothes. They got a light little scent to it. It's not really strong. Not really strong smell scent to them when you're doing laundry. Like I said, not too bad when you're doing laundry and trying to cut back on static clean with the clothes. This is Up and Up. Up and Up free and clear dryer sheets. Like I said, it's a Target product. In this box, you get the box here in particular. You get 105 sheets per box. You can buy these at Target. I don't know if they got any larger or small boxes of these or not.